Welcome to my channel. Today I will cook Lau Bori or bottled gourd Wadi. It's a traditional Bengali recipe. It's served in the main meals along with hot steamed rice. It's mainly eaten in the summer to cool the body. Bottled gourds help in digestion and is very good for the liver. It can be part of a day-to-day meal, special occasions and festivals. It can be made as Niramish or Bengali vegetarian dish as well. That means no onion or garlic. Please watch till the end as I give many tips, recommendations, explanations and alternatives. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Please make this recipe at home. Share this recipe with your friends and family members. You can also like, share and comment below. I reply to all. Heat mustard oil 5 tablespoons in a pan till it fumes. It is a must. Otherwise, the curry will smell of raw mustard oil. In the meantime, I have taken diced potato, a little over 1 cup. Diced skin is peeled off. To it, add turmeric powder half teaspoon and salt half teaspoon. Mix well. Pour the potato into the hot oil. Tip: the potatoes were washed after cutting them. Make sure the water does not get into the hot oil. Otherwise, the hot oil will start splashing and we may get blisters. Saute in medium to high heat for 5 minutes. Then take off the pan and keep aside. This is how it looks after 5 minutes. In the same oil, add bori or wadi 1 cup. I have used moong dal bori. Tip: put the bori in a strainer and strain the dust by shaking the strainer. Then add them to the oil. Saute in low to medium heat till the bori turns golden brown. Instead of moong bori, any other bori can be used. Tip: bori gets burnt quickly. Once done, switch off the gas and take off the pan as quickly as possible. This is how fried bori should look. Heat ghee 1 teaspoon and mustard oil 6 tablespoons in a pan till it fumes. Add bay leaf 1, dry red chili 2 split into 2, crushed cardamom 4, cloves 4, cinnamon stick 1, mace or jowitry 1 flower optional, used only for aroma, panch phoron 1 teaspoon and cumin 1 teaspoon. Saute in low to medium heat till golden brown. Tip: masala should always be fried in low to medium heat so that they don't get burned. Add chopped onion 2/3 cup. Saute in medium to high heat for 3 minutes. I make curry with as many masalas as possible because every spice or herb has some medicinal value. If you don't have all of them, don't worry. Make with whatever you have at home. Now add ginger paste half tablespoon and garlic paste half tablespoon. Fry in medium to high heat for 2 minutes. Now add diced tomato 1 cup, turmeric powder 1½ teaspoon and Kashmiri red chili powder 2 teaspoons. red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Saute in medium to high heat for 5 to 7 minutes or till the oil separates from the masala or the oil floats on top of the masala. Tip: if you think that the pan is very hot and the masala might get burned, switch off the gas and cook further. Then switch on the gas when required. I had forgotten to add cumin powder half tablespoon and coriander seeds powder half tablespoon earlier. It should be added with turmeric and chili powder. Break the tomato with spatula for better taste. The masala looks done. Add diced bottle gourd or lau 3 cups or 1 small bottle gourd, skin is peeled off. The cutting of bottle gourd is shown at the end of the video. Salt 1 teaspoon and fried potato. Mix well. Cook for 3 minutes in medium to high heat with or without a lid. It is called koshano in Bengali. The bottle gourd will cook in its own moisture. Koshano makes the curry tasty. After 3 minutes, add water 2 cups. Mix well. Cook in high heat for 15 minutes with the lid on. After 7 to 8 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute. Cover and cook for the rest of the time. After 7 to 8 minutes, open the lid. This is how the curry looks. The curry looks cooked as it is thick and oil is floating on top. Add fried bori. Add green chilies to slit in the middle. I added chilies at last so that the curry does not become very hot or spicy. Mix well. If we skip onion and garlic, it can be made as Niramish or Bengali vegetarian as well. With a spoon or knife, cut a bottle gourd to check if it is cooked. Yes, it is cutting without any effort. This means the bottle gourd is cooked well. Taste it, add whatever is required as per taste. My Lau Bori is perfect. The bori will soak water and make the curry drier. Just like this. Add some chopped coriander leaves or cilantro, optional. I will serve it hot with some hot steamed rice. It serves about 2 to 3 people. Please make it at home and let me know how it was. I would love to know about it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment below. You can follow me on social media with the channel name. I will be back with a new tasty recipe. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life. Bye.